Yeah, so this is going to be a really quick video. I'm going to be looking at the DK61, which is honestly the best budget 60% keyboard that you can get on the market right now. This review is coming from someone who doesn't know exactly the internals and externals about a keyboard, but I can definitely tell when something is cheap, and this is definitely not that. For the price between $50 and $60, which I'll explain in a second, you're getting a heavy keyboard. This thing is not light. It does not feel like garbage. The keys do not wobble. It sounds great. The switches sound great. And let me explain the prices in just a second. So here is where this might turn you off. As you can see, the reviews are not too good, but if you go into the reviews, you see that people are complaining about the Bluetooth, but the Bluetooth is not meant for gaming. It's meant for typing and coding and stuff along those lines, connected to your phone. The gaming portion is using the USB Type-C cable and plugging it into your computer. And don't get me wrong, I've tried the Bluetooth and it works completely fine on the phone, but there is latency because it is Bluetooth, and Bluetooth is not necessarily meant for gaming. People have to keep in mind that there is a difference between wireless and Bluetooth. My headset is wireless, but it needs an adapter to plug into the computer to make sure that there is no latency and no input lag. But as you can see, the keyboard is $60. It is $60 if you want to get the Bluetooth version, which is just a little extra, $10 more, but let's get into the cheaper alternative. As you can see, the reviews are way better, and it's because this one does not have Bluetooth when it is literally the same exact keyboard. The only reason the reviews are lower on the other one is because people thought the Bluetooth was meant for gaming, which it is not. But this is the $50 alternative just because it does not have Bluetooth. It's literally the same exact keyboard. But if you're really on a budget, I would go with this one, or if you just never use Bluetooth like me, even though I have the Bluetooth version, go with this one. I honestly have to give props to this company for making such a quality product, and for one, sending it to me, and for two, making it such an affordable price. That respect goes a very long way when it comes to gaming and just a company in general. So thank you for making your prices acceptable and making an amazing product that people can buy at a low price. Just to get some specifics out of the way, the keyboard is 100% RGB. There's different presets, there's different colors you can change, there's a software to change all your colors, you can change the keycaps, you can change the switches, everything is changeable, all for just $50. Now I'm going to end the video with a sound test on my brown switches. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you check this keyboard out, link in the description. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.